Hello everyone. Hello my dear Virgo. Welcome back to Practical Mystic. I'm so sorry for the longest time na hindi ako nagkaroon ng tarot reading session para sa iyo my dear Virgo dahil sa matinding spiritual battle na kinakaharap at maraming pinagkakaabalahan. Pero this time, I am thankful na nandito ako ngayon. I am available to conduct the tarot reading session for you, my dear Virgo. And let us know this time for the month of June. Let us know what's the message for you from the universe. So, without much ado, let's dive in. Universe. Ang unang card mula dito sa beginner tarot deck ay the Empress. The Empress in the upright position. My dear Virgo, for the month of June, it feels like it seems like you have everything you need. Lahat ng mga kinakailangan mo or pangangailangan mo ay provided para sa iyo. Dahil you project an energy of abundance. You project an energy of compassion and love for other people. And because that is the kind of energy that you are projecting to the universe, the same frequency is going to be vibrating back to you. Kung ikaw ay mapagmahal na tao, may malasakit sa ibang tao, mas maraming blessings na dumating sa or darating sa buhay mo. Okay? Kasi kasama ng the Empress ang Ten of Pentacles, and ang Ten of Pentacles ibig sabihin abundant ang iyong estado sa ngayon, no? Kasi dito sa Ten of Pentacles nakikita ko na masaya ka kasama ang pamilya mo, mga kaibigan mo. The month of June is a very good month para maibahagi mo ang iyong katapatan, ang iyong concern or care sa iyong mga kaibigan. Okay? Or sa iyong pamilya, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng pagkakataon na magsama-sama kayo sa labas. Meron kayong bonding moments. Kung meron man kayong aso, magiging kasama siya sa happiness na tinatamasa ninyo. And in fact, may nakikita akong bata. Ang batang ito ay pumapagitna sa lalaki or sa ama at sa pagitan ng ina or yung babae. Ngayon, may malaking pentacle na hawak yung babae sa kanyang left hand at meron pa siyang kinukuha na malaking pentacle sa right hand niya. Samantalang itong lalaki, sabihin natin masculine energy, parang maliit lang yung pentacle niya, tapos parang kinukuha ng bata yung maliit na pentacle na yon, tapos hindi naman niya ibinigay sa babae or sa ina. Parang ang kamay ng bata ay pinipigilan pa yung ina. Siguro it's an indication of divine protection. Ibig sabihin na kung ano man ang pentacle or pera na mayroon sa iyo, it is well provided talaga for you, at sa nakikita ko, pinipigilan ka ng bata na maging malapit doon sa lalaki or kung sino man yung kasama mo sa buhay. Ibig sabihin, pinoprotektahan ka para sa taong ito, para hindi niya makuha kung ano man yung pera na meron ka. So, your money is protected. It is divinely protected. Habang ang taong ito, maliit lang yung pentacle niya, tapos parang kinukuha pa sa kanya ng bata, no? That's how I see in this card. Okay. So, maaaring ang Ten of Pentacles na nakikita ko ay magiging double confirmation dito sa The Empress, na kung saan dito sa The Empress, ikaw ay mapagmahal, may malasakit, matulungin. So, you are very abundant in energy and you are a giver for others. So, being a giver as an Empress, of course, you have everything you need, no? Meron ka talagang maibibigay sa iba kasi you have everything you need. Kaya lang, I think not everybody deserves to receive what you have, no? Parang ano, kasi kapag sumusobra, parang masasayang lang din. So, you need to economize your energy, your effort, parang ganon. So, it is not good. It is not good to be all the time that we give ourselves to others. We have to balance everything because the extremes is dangerous, diba? So, being an Empress is good, but we have to make sure na kung sino man yung inaalagaan natin, binibigyan ng kung ano man ang meron tayo, yun ay mga taong deserving din para sa atin. Okay, my dear Virgo, I hope you understand. Tapos, sa katabi ng The Empress, Ten of Pentacles, we have here. Wow, the Page of Wands. Okay, so, right now, magkakaroon ka ng newly found inspiration, okay? Remember that the Page of Wands is this is for the element of fire. Representing creativity, okay? So, this is a creative energy in the element of fire. Since creative energy man ito, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong inspirasyon sa buhay mo. And, itong inspirasyon na ito ay makapagbibigay ng kasiyahan sa buhay mo. Parang masaya ka kasi nakikita ko hindi talaga dalawang paa ang nakaapak sa lupa. Ang isa ay napunta sa itaas. So, ibig sabihin masaya ka. Parang lumulukso ka sa kasiyahan. Tapos, ang inspirasyon mo ay maring may kinalaman sa ideya na pumapasok sa isipan mo, or mayroon kang nakatagpo na tao na parang newly found inspiration mo sa buhay mo. Parang ganon. So, whatever it is, masasabi ko sa iyo, my dear Virgo, na masaya ako dahil inspired ka sa ngayon, no? And kasi nga mapagmahal ka, inaalagaan mo yung ibang tao, it's confirmed by the world na you are totally vibrating higher, no? Hindi barado yung mga chakras mo. All energy centers are activated, like the root chakra, the sacral chakra, the solar plexus chakra, the heart chakra, the throat chakra, the third eye, and crown chakras. Okay? So, this is good for you, my dear Virgo. Kaya lang, pumapasok si the devil, no? This is the second major arcana card. Okay, si the devil. This kahit pa man highly vibrational ka sa ngayon, parang hindi talaga maiiwasan na merong mga temptasyon na dumarating sa buhay mo, okay? Parang nakikita ko dito na yung mechanism ng kadiliman, or yung I mean the devil, ang kanyang pamamaraan para matempt ka, or ano ba yun, tempt sa Tagalog, temptation, para matrap ka sa temptation is through sa isipan mo, no? Kinokontrolar niya yung isipan mo. Instead na yung isipan mo is only for win-win mindset, para namang tinutwist niya yung isipan mo into a victim, into having a victim mentality, okay? So, this time, pinapaalala ka ng universe na dapat maging mapagmatsyag ka. You must be very attentive kung ano ang mga bagay na pumapasok sa isipan mo, kasi baka unconsciously hindi mo alam na yung mga kaisipan na meron sa isipan mo is isa yun sa mga negative energy na ini-inculcate ng devil, ng kadiliman para sa iyo, no? You know, kung gusto kang magiging successful sa buhay mo, dapat baguhin mo yung isipan mo, yung habit mo araw-araw, yung lifestyle mo, baguhin mo para magiging successful ka in the near future. Pero itong devil na to, hindi niya gusto, of course, hindi niya gusto na magiging successful ang mga tao kagaya mo, my dear Virgo. Ang ginawa niya is tinitwist niya yung isipan mo. Sa nakikita ko dito sa card, meron siyang mga strings mula sa kanyang kamay, tapos ang tatlong strings na ito ay nakatali or parang nakadikit sa ulo mo. So, yun ang pamamaraan ng devil para kontrolin ka. So, ikaw ngayon ay parang isa na sa kanyang mga manika or puppet, and he is of course the puppet monster. So, this time you are being informed, no? And you are advised to take heed of your thoughts, no? Isipin mo ng maigi kung ano ang mga bagay na pumapasok sa isipan mo, at kung ma-detect mo na negative thought yan, kailangan mo siyang alisin sa isipan mo, okay? Baguhin mo ang iyong iniisip, from negative thoughts, transform it into positive thoughts, okay? Ayan. Wow. Galing. Thank you, universe. I know that you can overcome this, my dear Virgo. Lahat ng mga pangyayari sa buhay natin, it is being allowed by the divine because He knows that we can overcome this, no? Walang mga pangyayari na na nagaganap na parang hindi approve ng Panginoon. Everything is being orchestrated for us to become good, to become better, to become wiser, okay? You can do this, my dear Virgo. And in here, dito sa beginner tarot deck, between the Ten of Pentacles at saka the Page of Wands, we have here the Five of Cups. The Four of Cups, sorry. The Four of Cups in reverse, okay? This indicates that you have a balanced throat chakra. This is this is an emotional energy in the element of water, no? Emotional energy in the element of water. Okay, this may involve Pisces. Siguro meron kang Pisces sa birth chart mo. Okay? So, this is double confirmation sa Page of Wands na magkakaroon ka ng panibagong oportunidad, okay? Not really na kusang ibibigay sa iyo, kundi what I mean is ikaw mismo ang nag-initiate para matanggap mo ang oportunidad na ito. Of course, darating din para sa iyo. That's what I mean. Tapos, kung meron ka mga pagsisisi sa mga nakaraan na mga pangyayari na may kinalaman sa oportunidad, negosyo or trabaho, kinalimutan mo na yon, no? Unti-unti mo na siyang ibinaon sa limot, okay? Tapos, ngayon, dahil nag-initiate ka para makuha mo ang oportunidad na anuman klaseng oportunidad na tinatamasa mo, ay gusto mong matamasa, it's an indication din na hindi ka na energetically stagnant sa buhay mo, no? You are not stagnant. You are actually moving forward since you let go of the old baggages, no, from the past. Okay, you let them go so that you may able to move forward. At the same time, you are motivated to achieve whatever you want to achieve since you have the Page of Wands and this Four of Cups in reverse. Okay, and you are very enthusiastic. I tell you, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, ikaw ay masigla, no? Masaya. You are full of inspiration. And this time, okay, so we have here also the Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords, this is an intellectual energy in the element of air. Intellectual energy in the element of air. Okay. It is good that you have everything you need kasi nga balance yung root chakra mo. So you have nothing to be afraid of, no? Especially even if you are being tricked by the devil through your thoughts. Do not worry. Do not worry. You can overcome it. And so natapos-tapos na yung mga pagtatraidor sa buhay mo, ng pagtatraidor sa iyo ng mga kapamilya mo or kakilala or katrabaho. It comes to an end, no? Pinapatawad mo na sila, at dahil pinapatawad mo sila, tapos na lahat-lahat, no? Nakalimutan mo na yung past. So tapos na yung pagtatraidor, wala ka ng kalaban, wala nang mga tao na nag-backstab sa'yo. Backstab means yung kaharap mo sila, okay sila sa'yo, tapos kapag nakatalikod ka na, binabackstab ka nila, meaning nilibak ka nila, or kinukutsa, or nagchichismisan sila tungkol sa'yo, no? So, tapos na yung backstabbing, tapos na yung betrayal, tapos na rin yung bitching, wala ka ng kalaban, hindi na sila nag-badmouth sa'yo, wala ng bitterness, hindi ka na rin stagnant, hindi ka na makakaranas ng failure, kasi marami ka nang natutunan sa past, no? Nangyayari ang failure sa buhay natin kasi merong gusto ang universe na dapat matutunan natin para magiging wiser tayo. Okay? So, at dahil marami ka nang natutunan sa nakaraan, hindi ka na makakaranas ng failure sa ngayon. Parang it's a break season for you, no? Makakapagpahinga ka ng malalim, no? Wala nang kasiraan, wala nang breakdown, no more collapse, wala nang kapaguran. You already have the ability to cope with stress. You already have the ability to overcome yung mga curses or yung mga sumpa. Wala na yun. Wala nang sumpa na umaatake sa'yo, no? You are already free. Congratulations, my dear Virgo. Okay, so this time, I have here, dito tayo sa Powerful Thought Cards by Louise Hay. The first card says, I am willing to forgive. Yes. You know, kung matuto tayong magpatawad sa ibang tao, magiging masaya ang Panginoon sa atin at bibigyan pa niya tayo ng karagdagang biyaya sa buhay. Okay? Not just blessings itself, but also the fruits of blessings. Okay? Ayun. So, pinapaalala ka ng universe na kailangan mo nang patawarin yung mga taong nagkasala. Patawarin mo na yung mga tao na nanakit sa'yo, no? Parang kailangan mong intindihin na nag-perform lang din sila sa kanilang role sa buhay mo, no? They are just performing their roles to give you lesson, to give you experience, okay? So, at dahil tapos na yung karmic cycle, it's a completion of cycle man talaga, as indicated in the card, the world. So, the world means the completion of the karmic cycle. So, tapos na yung karmic cycle dahil marami ka na natutunan. The next thing for you to do is forgive the person. He or she is just performing her role to hurt you, to give you experience, and to give you lesson. And it has nothing to do about, parang unconsciously, ginamit lang din sila ng devil, ng kadiliman para sirain ka. Pero you know, the person is just a human, no? Na hindi niya alam kung anong ginagawa niya. So, you have to forgive him or her. Kasi tao ka lang din na tinetest. At para din yun sa kabutihan mo. Para ikaw ay magiging mas matapang sa buhay, no? You are like a self-made warrior. So, if you're really strong, ito ang masasabi ko sa'yo. If you are really strong, you can forgive, no? Kung matapang ka, of course, kaya mong patawarin ang ibang tao. Okay? So, yun. Again, pinapaalala ka ng universe na maging mapagpatawad sa ibang tao. Okay? Para ma-enjoy mo yung blessings na ibibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon. Okay? And next card is we have, it is safe to look within. Ito ang pangalawang mensahe mula sa Powerful Thought Cards ni Miss Louise Hay. As I move through the layers of other people's opinion and beliefs, I see within myself a magnificent being, wise and beautiful. I love that I see in me. Okay. Dahil marami kang kinakaharap na pagsubok sa buhay, sa past mo, sa nakaraan, marami kang natutunan. So you become you became stronger, you became emotionally mature, mentally strong. Tapos parang na-realize mo na it is good to be true to myself, no? Hindi ko kailangan yung validation ng ibang tao. So you look within yourself and then you realize how amazing you are as a person. So you became unapologetically authentic as you are, no? And then okay, pangatlong confirmation na ito sa The Empress at saka 10 of Pentacles. Sinasabi dito, I am open and receptive to new avenues of income. Wow! I am happy for you, my dear Virgo. I am supportive about the success of others, no, my dear Virgo. I now receive my good from expected and unexpected sources. I am an unlimited being accepting from an unlimited source in an unlimited way, and I am blessed beyond my fondest dreams. Okay, so ito ang magiging outcome kapag sinusunod mo yung payo sa iyo ng universe. 'Di ba? Sinabihan ka na, 'di ba yung mensahe kanina na patawarin mo yung ibang tao. Kasi kapag pinapatawad mo yung ibang tao, pinapatawad mo din yung sarili mo, pinapalaya mo yung puso mo sa mga laban sa mga hatred or paano yun? Pinapalaya mo yung sarili mo mula sa galit, puot, parang ganun. And because you project an emotional energy of love, forgiveness, and compassion, the more you vibrate to that frequency, the same energy is going to be projected by the universe, and in return it will be converted into money. Wow! Remember that money is the currency of the universe. So as you vibrate higher, your money becomes energetically increasing also. Okay, so you would have more blessings to receive as long as you forgive others. So that's the urgent reminder for you, my dear Virgo. And now let us move on to the two cards from double Tarot of Opposition. Okay, we have here the Ace of Swords. This is a mental energy in the element of air. Okay, Ace of Swords. Pero ano siya? Ace of Swords na negative. Okay? Let us find out kung ano ang ibig sabihin nito. Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Where are you? Okay. Assess your strengths and do not prevaricate against those whom you will have confrontations. The card betokens power and wit, but it does not entitle you to aggressiveness, vanity, or abuse. To those you wish to fight, other people may exploit your weakness in retaliation. Okay. Parang pinagsabihan ka na kailangan mong i-assess, no? I-evaluate yung ano ba yung assess at saka evaluate sa Tagalog? Hindi ko alam. I hope maintindihan mo. Now is the time for you to assess your strength and do not prevaricate against those whom you will have confrontations. Kailangan mong i-assess or evaluate. Kailangan mong suriin ang iyong tapang, ang iyong galing, or ang iyong lakas, no? Huwag mong gamitin yung lakas mo para mang-api sa ibang tao, para maghiganti sa kanila. No, it's not. Ang tunay na tapang na meron sa atin ay yung strength, yung kakayahan natin patawarin ng ibang tao. So, sinasabi dito na, yes, of course, matapang ka, meron kang lakas, malakas ka, matapang, pero wag mo itong gamitin para maghiganti sa ibang tao. Parang sinasabi dito na, kung sino man yung mga tao na kinakalaban mo, sa nakaraan, sila, of course, parang nafe-feel mo na sila yung malakas tapos mahina ka. But this time, iba na yung kwento ng buhay, no? Parang baliktad, no? Sila na ngayon ang nanghihina, ikaw na yung malakas. Nanghihina sila kasi nagpapatulong sila sa mga magkukulam, no? Kinukulam ka para humihina ka. Pero ngayon, parang expired na yung mga kulam na ginawa sa'yo. Pati yung mga mangkukulam parang napagod din sa kakakulam sa'yo. Tapos wala namang nangyayari sa'yo. No? So, ganun ka kalakas. At this time, na-realize mo na, ay, malakas pala ako, no? Mas malakas pa ako sa kulam na ginawa nila sa akin. Ngayon, pinapaalala ka dito, no? Huwag mong gamitin ang iyong lakas at tapang para magiganti sa ibang tao. No. This time, babalik tayo sa unang mensahe sa'yo na it is time for you to forgive, let them go, and forget anything from the past regarding them. Kasi kapag every time na naalala mo yung nakaraan, parang susunod na papasok sa isipan mo is yung tao na nanakit sa'yo. So, yun ang trick na gagawin ng demonyo para sa'yo, para kontrolin yung isipan mo. At kapag totally controlled na yung isipan mo, hindi mo na ma-attract yung success na matatamasa mo in the future. So this time, if you really want to manifest success in the future, you need to renew your mind, di ba? Okay, so I hope you follow the instructions. This time, we also have the 9 of Cups. Kung meron tayong 10 of Cups kanina, ngayon meron tayong 9 of Cups. This is still material energy in the element of earth. Ano ito? 10 of Cups. 9 of Cups pala. 9 of Cups. Excuse me. 9 of Cups na positive. Buti na lang positive. Okay. So you have health, love, and work opportunity will have unexpected and deserved peak of completeness, wealth, or kayamanan from every point of view is coming and requires that you know how to recognize it with maturity and serene acceptance. So many people do not know how to receive and therefore hardly know how to give. You have achieved so much, so share with enthusiasm. Okay, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina na you already experienced the completion of the karmic cycle. Dahil tapos na lahat, completed na yung karmic cycle na yon, matatamasa mo na yung ultimate break time ba? Yung parang makakapahinga ka na mula sa kahirapan na naranasan mo noon. Okay? So, you will experience the peak, yung tuktok ng kasaganahan sa in terms of money, in terms of business or work, relationship, and kalusugan or health. Okay. So, I'm happy for you that you experienced this, my dear Virgo. And we have the last message from the Karma card, which is about houses, and it is actually in the 10th house, no? Okay, so the message for your soul is to be responsible. If you really kung sinusunod mo yung higher self mo, you have to be responsible as you forgive others and control your mind. Do not let the devil control your mind. No. You have to follow your intuition and allow your higher self to control your mind, not the devil. And dapat walang ibang iniisip ang isipan mo. I mean, dapat walang ibang iniisip ang utak mo kundi all about success, no? If you want to attract success, think about success. Do something to attract success and feel free about yourself as a successful person, no? Ayun. For me, I believe about law of attraction, no? Kasi law of attraction, law means it is firmly established, no? Parang totoo talaga ito. Kung naniniwala ka na the earth has its gravitational force, no? Naniniwala tayo sa gravity, the law of gravity. Much more dapat paniwalaan natin na tunay na mangyayari ang law of attraction. Okay, para maintindihan natin itong law of attraction, ibig sabihin, kaya nating makuha kung anong gusto nating makamtan, okay? Maaangkin. Halimbawa, gusto mong yumaman, magkakotse, magkabahay, magkajowa, okay? Kaya yan. Everything is already abundant in the universal supermarket of the universe, no? Kaya lang, ang problema is, kailangan mong mag-tune in into the frequency of the kind of things that you want to achieve. So, if you want to attract wealth, kung gusto mong yumaman, dapat naka-tune in ka sa frequency na yan, no? And then, paano kaya ito gawin? Ito, for example, nakikiusap ka kang genie in the bottle. Kapag sinabi mo kay genie na, I want to be rich, okay, hanggang dyan ka lang, I want to be rich. Tapos sasabihin ni genie na, your wish is my command. Okay, so, ayan, I want to be rich. Yun lang din, I want to be rich. Pero, kung gusto mo talagang yumaman, tapos kapag sinabi mo kang genie na, I am rich. So, ang response ni genie is, your wish is my command. And there you are as a rich person. Na? So, yun. Kung gusto mong maging mayaman, dapat gawin mo sa sarili mo, no? You have to smell rich. You have to wear like how the rich individuals wear, and then you have to look to be looking rich, okay, looking affluent, something like that. So you have to do something to tune into the frequency of wealth. Ayan. So another message for your body is that you have to become a person of power and status. My God, this is the last message that you need to do, my dear Virgo. You have to be somebody who has the power and the status. And of course, ang status na sinasabi dito is, it's about economic status, no? Like, a wealthy person. So you have to do something, no? Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, kung gusto mong maging mayaman, dapat ang suot mo pang mayaman, yung amoy mo pang mayaman, yung kilos mo pang mayaman, no? Yung mga salita mo pang mayaman din, no? Social, diba? So again, the last message for you from the universe is, be a person with power and status. Be a person with power and status. Uulitin ko, sabay-sabay tayo. I am a person of power and status. Yay! Congratulations for you, my dear Virgo. I'm happy for you. Always remind yourself that you are strong enough to forgive other people so that you may continue to attract the wealth and abundance of the universe. And by doing that, at the same time, no, kontrolin mo yung isipan mo. Huwag mong hayaan na kukontrolin ng demonyo yung isipan mo. Okay? Be watchful about your thoughts, yung isipan mo, maging mapagmatsyag ka doon. And then, mapagmatsyag ka sa mga pumapasok sa isipan mo. And then, mga kaisipan na pumapasok sa isipan mo. And then, always, para mapigilan mo yung demonyo na kumukontrol sa isipan mo, dapat wala kang ibang iniisip kundi tagumpay. Tagumpay, tagumpay, tagumpay. Success, success. Again, affirm this to yourself. I am successful. I am successful. I am successful. Okay? Believe in the power of words because words has sound energy and energy is powerful enough. It can create, it can reprogram the DNA of your body, mind, and soul. Okay. And then, lastly, consider yourself as a person with power and status. Alright, so, yun. Huwag mong kalimutan ng mga paalala sa'yo, my dear Virgo. And, see you in the next reading. God bless you.